Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for June 16 to 30, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck na nilang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so Taurus, let's see what's coming to you. Ano yung energies? June 16 to 30. Vesta Hearth. So this is about your passion. Maaring meron kang ipupursue na passion mo, something na talagang malapit sa puso mo. Let's see what else. You have Gemini energy, cross-pollinate. So some of you maaring ito yung time na marami kang makikilala, makakausap, mas magso-socialize ka ngayon. You will meet new people, new connections, magpapalawak ka ng iyong network. Pwede rin mag-aaral ka, no? You have conjunction alliance. Oh, that's good. I think itong mga bagong kaibigan or connections mo can be sa work, can be sa social media, or whatever na pinupursu mo ngayon. Makakatulong to, no, sa iyong future dahil sabi nga your net worth, your network is your net worth, 'di ba? Kasi kapag mas marami kang kakilala, marami kang connection, mas madali na mapalawak mo yung yung business mo, mapaunlad yung career mo, 'di ba? And I feel like someone is supporting you. Can be a friend, mahal sa buhay, na very supportive of you. Pwede rin itong community na kinabibilangan mo na supportive sa mga ginagawa mo. Your overall energy is the 8 of Cups. You may be leaving a situation for a new opportunity. So, pwedeng ikaw ay parang may tatalikuran ka rito. Tatalikuran na minsan ay nakapagpasaya sa'yo. So, this can be a relationship. Pwede rin itong trabaho or career path or pinagkakaabalahan mo or source of income mo. But, you feel like meron ka pang gustong i-pursue sa buhay mo na kung saan mas nandoon nag-a-align yung iyong passion, yung iyong creativity, yung talents mo, or yung skill set mo. Your challenge is the Queen of Cups. So, maaring maging emotional ka. Around this time, you might, become parang minsan kasi may time talaga na affected tayo ng full moon or ng mga galaw ng moon, mga moon cycle na yan. So pay attention to your emotions kasi pwedeng meron kang magawa or masabi na hindi mo naman talaga minimin, pero dahil nagpadala ka sa emosyon mo, nasabi mo or nagawa mo. Okay? Let's see your opportunity. You have the Chariot. Wow, napakaganda ng opportunity na to, Taurus. So this is about moving forward. This is focusing on your goals. Maaring marami kang gustong ma-achieve ngayong second half ng June. Parang ngayon mo na talaga sinisimulan or mas umaarangkada ka ngayon. You also have the opportunity to become very successful. I'm sensing that people are celebrating you or ikaw ay may iba sa inyo sikat, no? Tipong there is an amount of following sa inyo or a number of followers. Pwedeng kayo ay social media influencer, content creator, or sikat kayo sa community ninyo na merong mga taong nire-respect ka or nire-recognize yung galing mo, yung talents mo. And then, your blessing is the 3 of Cups. Oh, this is a celebration. Maaring magkikita-kita kayo ng mga friends mo. Merong update. Di ba may gano'n na magkikita-kita to update each other. Lalo na kung very busy kayo ng friends mo or sino man to, pwedeng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Merong reunion. Pwedeng attend ka sa isang reunion, high school reunion, family reunion. And I also see an achievement for you, no? Pwedeng itong achievement na to ay related sa pinag-aaralan mo or sa mga tina-target mo na goals. Mm-mm. Okay, let's see the energy of your money. Money for Taurus. The Hermit. Uy. So, I feel like meron kang pinag-iisipan. Can be a form of yung tawag nito, business or investment. Oo. Pinag-iisipan mo maigi. Kasi ayaw mo naman, like what I mentioned kanina, mahirap yung nagpapadala ka sa emosyon mo, na meron lang, na-inspire ka lang sa isang tao, tapos kinukumbinsi ka niyang magnegosyo or mag-invest, agad-agad naman maglalabas ka ng pera. So, you are going to be very careful with your finances. I also see na hindi mo na rin ipagsasabi kung gaano karami yung pera mo, kahit na malapit pa sa family mo, or kahit malapit pa sa'yo tong taong to. You are protecting your energies, okay? Especially in your money, your finances, your resources. So, sa iyong career, 7 of Cups, some of you ay maraming options, no, available sa inyo. Whether may trabaho kayo ngayon or meron kayong source of income, I feel like meron ka ngayong mga options na kino-consider. Pwedeng sa trabaho to na iniisip mo kung ito na ba, pagpapatuloy ko ba to or susubok ako ng bago. Kasi maraming opportunities nag-open sa inyo. Yun nga lang, pag mas maraming opportunities, mas marami kang pagpipilian, mas confusing. Okay? So, some of you, kayo ay bubukod na. Oo, yung tipong kayo na mismo ang mag-handle ng inyong finances, or mas nagiging mature na kayo na mag-organize, mag-handle ng kaperahan ninyo. Some of you will also tap into your talents, your skills. Some of you magaling sa art. Pwedeng ito ay lalo nyong ginagalingan pa yung inyong talents and skills. Kasi alam nyo guys, merong mga talagang super talented, like for example, isa kang painter. Tapos yung iba nagiging full-time talaga silang painter kasi maraming bumibili ng mga pieces nila, no? Ng mga art piece nila. So, yun, kumbaga self-sufficient na sa kanila yon. So, some of you ganon. Whatever talent that you have or gifts na binigay sa inyo ni God, yun yung itatap in ninyo to manifest your desires, your money. Okay? And then, for your love life, tingnan natin. Love life ng mga Taurus. Love life ng mga Taurus. Uy, may lovers. The Sun. Uy, ang ganda ng love life niyo, Taurus. In fairness. Oo, you have the lovers and the Sun. This is happiness. This is confidence, no, sa relationship that you are in. Kung meron kang karelasyon ngayon, mas lalong tumitibay ang connection ninyo. Yung iba, pwedeng merong baby on the horizon, no? Merong parating na bagong member ng family. It's like a bundle of joy. Yung iba naman, if you're single, I feel like you are inspired. Inspired ka sa sarili mo. At dahil masaya ka sa sarili mo, masaya ka sa nangyayari sa buhay mo, nakaka-attract ka ngayon ng mga admirers. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring makipag-date, no? Kung kayo ay single. Dahil merong na-attract sa inyo. Some of you, meron kayong bibigyan ng chance sa buhay nyo na bumalik. Or yung parang i-reconnect nyo lang yung isa't isa. Can be a friend, pwede ring romantic partner, or a family member. Soulmate talaga naman. Sabi nga nila, love is lovelier the second time around. So, some of you are connecting with a soulmate partner. So, if you feel like parang siya na talaga, then go for it. Enjoy the moment with your person. Kasi masaya talaga yun. Parang binigyan mo ng chance ng person na to. Focus on love. Look for the good in everyone. Yes. You're focusing on the people that you love. Yung mga taong nagki-care talaga sa'yo, genuinely. And also, yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. Or things that you love to do. The power of divine grace is within you. You are divinely guided, Taurus. The wisdom and messages of the divine are within you. Wow, ang ganda naman. So, I think yung mga experiences nyo in the past, yan na yung nagpatibay sa inyo. Yan na yung kumbaga nagbigay sa inyo ng wisdom. You've become wiser, no? Mas naging matalino kapag dating sa decisions mo sa buhay, sa discernment mo. So, whatever you pursue, you also focus on what you love. Ayan, yun yung number 1 mong requirement. Dapat mahal mo yung ginagawa mo or mahal mo yung taong kasama mo. Okay, so that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.